You own a manufacturing plant, or do you manage a manufacturing plant? Do you face some production problem and look for a simple and effective solution for them? Do you want to adapt your plant to Industry 4.0 for less production cost, better quality product, shorter production cycle, more efficiency at every production level? If you do, listen carefully. Hi, my name is Anh. Today, I'm here to present to you about the adoption of digital technologies of smart manufacturing in SMEs, which stand for Small and Medium-Sized Enterprise. In fact, new technologies surround us. They change the way we communicate, travel, see the world. Most fundamentally, they change the way we make stuff cheaper, better, smarter. Adoption of digital technologies into smart manufacturing is utilizing big data, artificial intelligence, and advanced robotics technology and interconnectivity of them for improving manufacturing performance and optimizing the energy and workforce. Let's move to introduction. The first industrial revolution was powered by steam machines. The second, assembly lines and electricity. And then the third, partial automation and computers. And now, Industry 4.0, the digital robotic age. Manufacturing industry nowadays stand on the brink of the next industrial revolution, Industry 4.0, with smart manufacturing currently on its forefront. It's changing the way business function. In order not to be left behind from early adopter, SMEs integrate modern smart manufacturing related to information and digital technology, known as SMIDT, with their business operation to enable smart manufacturing. The study identified the determinants of SMIDT adoption within manufacturing SMEs. This picture illustrates a smart factory, and around it is AI, big data, simulation. They are components of smart manufacturing system. I'm sure you are wondering about the reason why you must read this research. Are there anything attractive? Now, thanks in large part to smartphone technology, the sensor become cheaper, smaller, and more effective. The advantage of that is that not only can you inspect products and come down the line, not only can robots become more nimble, you've seen that self-driving cars are becoming more and more common. Adoption of digital technology into smart manufacturing is a quite fascinating topic that enables you to discover a modern and prospective world. If you are academicians, executive, or even policymaker, this research will be very useful to offer valuable insight. What is more, it mainly focuses on the most advanced IDT and advanced data analytics such as AI, augmented virtual reality, AVR, promising to improve manufacturing operation all throughout the value chain from shop floor to supply partner and customer. Next, the research question. Knowing this means we can understand the research objective. Accordingly, the present study aims to fulfill the following objectives. The first one is to identify factors influencing the adoption of SMIDT among manufacturing SMEs. And the second one is to identify the key determinants of implementation of individual SMIDT among manufacturing SMEs. Outlines is also an essential part of each research. This research contains 7 big parts: introduction, smart manufacturing related IDT, hypothesis and model development, research methodology, result, discussion, and the final part is conclusion, implication, and future research. Let's move to literature review. How previous research deal with the current research topic. As you know, previous research explained that IDT adoption offer performance improvement for business through improved sales, effective customer and supplier relationship, and supporting core organizational capability. Majority of them has defined and operationalized IDT institutionalization as adoption or non-adoption of relative simple IDT such as email, internet, electronic data interchange, and administrative software package. However, there has been a significant decrease in the price of generic IDT tools even for SMEs over the past decades, and adoption of generic IDT is no longer a competitive advantage for smaller manufacturers even in developing countries. Next, theoretical frameworks. Research used the Technology Organization Environment (TOE) framework. TOE provides an appropriate starting point for studying IDT adoption and usage, focused on internal and external characteristics of the organization, as well as technical characteristics in the study of drivers for new technology diffusion. TOE has been a popular foundational model in examining issues such as IDT adoption, implementation, and usage. TOE framework has provided consistent empirical support in a number of IDT adoption domains, including electronic fund transfer, electronic data interchange, open system, and ERP. Consistently, the present study benefits from TOE while developing the model of SMIDT adoption and related hypothesized relationships. Moreover, compared to generic IDT, smart manufacturing related IDT are significantly complex and knowledge intensive, and are integrated with the core processes of SMEs. Unfortunately, little has been done to identify the key determinants that influence SMEs' decision to adopt and implement advanced IDT that enable the transition process towards smart manufacturing. As manufacturing digitalization in the smart manufacturing is in its infancy, the academia has started to address this research avenue. I hope you have learned more about smart manufacturing and adoption of technology into it. Thanks for listening.